Hi guys, thank you for visiting the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use this electric dog collar and what these buttons actually mean. Alright, so what does come in this box? Let me show you that first. So let's open it up here. First thing you're going to get, this is a fuse. Just in case anything happens with your collar, an extra fuse. Come in handy. Second thing is these little prongs in the box. The collar itself, which you can tell mine has been through some years. We have a little hair tie keeping it together. The remote itself. And this is what I'm going to talk to you about today. Let's talk about what these buttons do. So on the face, you'll see 4 buttons. On the side, you'll see 2. Alright, first button says 1 and 2. This is where you'll find 2 frequencies for 1 remote, just in case you have 2 dogs to train at the same time. So next on the face value is this middle button right above mode. This button is actually a light button, and there's a little LED on top, and you'll be able to see everything brightly lit. So this button here is actually the most important. This one actually sets off the collar. Now let's test this remote and see what happens through each mode. First mode we are already selected on is a vibrate option. I have the collar right here. Let's see if we can hear it. Let's switch modes and see what happens. The next is a speaker. This is what I use the most to not harm my dog, but you just tell it that I'm about to use the shock. Mode is the actual shock itself, and then you'll see the numbers are backwards obviously through my video, but you can change the intensity of a shock by clicking the side buttons on the remote. Alrighty guys, I want to thank you for the opportunity to let me show you the ins and outs of this product, and in the next video I'm going to show you hands-on how to actually use the remote. So if you guys would please put a like, share, favorite, just click on it, comment, that's on this video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.